Hey guys, it is Tigers. It's LPS Tigers AJ. That's a real big upgrade. In real life I'll be like that now, but when I'm doing AJ or LPS I'll still be Donut. Okay? So I'm gonna show you how to make the rubber band skirt for LPS. And all you need is a hook, C-clip if you need to, and some rubber bands. And yeah. And also, later, maybe this week, you might want to check out the infinity bracelet, or it's that already, I'm not sure. I haven't been checking my videos on YouTube for a long time. And it looks super cool. The white that I have glows, and, this blue that I have is really cool too, and changes by heat and day. Really cool. And also, I also have a water bottle. I think I got it from Made by Mommy. She's doing the Coca-Cola and or Mountain Dew. I'm not sure. But I did different colors, and that's how you do the water bottle. Looks really cool. All I did is put scissors and cut it so it looks like this kind of. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make the skirt. Let's get on to it. Alright, so you'll get your hook. This is my not my hook that I'm using. This is my middle one. I just got it. And yes, I got a new loom too. It is pretty awesome. So I'll be showing you loom things too. Alright, so you get your hook. Then you pick one of your colors. And you wrap it 2 or 3 times. It doesn't matter. This is the end of the 2. I'm doing 3. So you wrap it around, so I technically put this 1, 2, 3. And then you should have 3, looks like 3 rubber bands. My bad. Then you get 3 other ones as the same color as this one. And you get one of them, put this cap band over, make sure you don't miss any, and then it should look like this, and then you put the other one over. So technically it should be like this. Then you do this 2 more times. Alright, so you see it now. And then once you got that, you do it 9 more times. And also you should go check Made by Mommy and some other and Wakamana also helped me out. And it is pretty cool, and they got half of it, so then I was like, I also want the other half. Thank you. And yeah, you do it 9 more times. If you want to do it like different colors here, you do, if you're doing it like me, you're doing 4 more of these, and the other color will be 5 more. My bad. Did I say 9? I meant by 4. And yeah. You can do find two of the same one and another one, and yeah, so I know that you think that, but I'm just a little girl. Wait, what are you doing? Oh no, okay, my sister's coming. I'm gonna go. Apologies for my little sister. So I'll show you one more time. Alright, so you wrap it around 3 times. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3. There. Then you get your rubber band and put that over and put the other side there. Like that. Then you get another rubber band and put the other one over it. So then it should look like this. Okay. Then you do it again. Alright, and once you got that, the last one, you can get the other ones and put this one. I'm gonna go put this one on the other hook. 1 second, guys. Alright, there. And once you got that, you can get one of your colored bands. One of these. And I'm going to choose this one. So then you get your single band. And you put everything over it. And you think there's going to be no room. But I'm pretty sure there's going to be a room. Don't you just love these skirts? If you have like 10 or 5 of them, I'm pretty sure your LPS will love them. And once you got everything on them, get the other side and put it on the hook. So then, it should look like this. And then, you make a slip knot. So if you don't know what a slip knot is, put one of the bands over, and then you tug. Tug it real hard because this since there's a lot of things on it, you have to tug it real good because one of mine fell apart. It was this one, but it was this one right here. But I'm so lucky that I know what to do when it falls apart. Like one of the parts fall out. And yeah, there you go. You might want to push it over the thing so it spreads out. Then if you're doing the exact same thing as me, looks like a snowflake. And I'll show you what it looks like on my little dog. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so happy that it worked out. If you're at the end here, if it just fell apart, like it just fell apart here, that means you have to put everything back on your hook and tug it hard. I promise you, the band wouldn't break if you tug it real hard. That's what I did. This fell apart, and then I put everything on my hook. Then I tugged it real hard, and there, it happened. So I hope you enjoy, and everything except for my little sister. And yeah, X Tigers is LPS X Tigers. Well, you can say just LPS Tigers AJ. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!